In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the if function with multiple conditions here in Google Sheets. So the if function by itself can only check one condition and output two values depending on whether that condition is met or not. But the if function together with another nesting function like the AND function can check multiple conditions at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that with our sample data right here. We have a coffee franchise with different managers in different places, and we're going to try and figure out if these managers will be able to receive a bonus depending on two conditions that has been set for them to receive the bonus. So the two conditions that we are going to meet are right here on the note. The manager will receive a $500 bonus if their total sales are over $25,000 and their June sales are at least $10,000. So we have two conditions. If the total sales are over $25,000 and if their June sales, their latest monthly sales, are at least $10,000. So we're going to figure out which of these managers will be receiving a bonus. So let's go ahead and create our formula right here. Start with the equal sign and type in if. Select it right there. And now we're going to put in our logical expression. Now again, on its own, the if function can only check one condition. But with the nesting function like the AND function, go ahead and type it there. Here, you can put in as many conditions as you want. I think it's up to 250, but for our example, we'll only be checking two at the same time. So our first condition would be if this one right here is greater than or equal to 25,000, comma, let's put in our other condition, which would be if this right here is greater than or equal to 10,000. So if we close this off, you'll see that we are back to our if function, and within that AND function we have our two conditions. As we closed it, we have finished our logical expression for our if function. So if the conditions are met, then that means this manager will be receiving a $500 bonus, and we're going to put that in quotations, comma, and if not, then we will just say no bonus. And close that, press enter, and there you have it. We have figured out those managers that will be receiving a $500 bonus. Let's accept our suggested autofill right here. And you'll also see that not all of our managers will be receiving a bonus, because even though some of them have reached the 25,000 total sales, their June sales have fallen short of under $10,000. And that's just a simple example on how to use the if function with the nesting function to check in multiple conditions at the same time here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.